A very good morning to one and all. Today I am here to speak on the topic of lockdown curse and boon. Myself Mansoori Halima Mehendi Hassan, studying in first year of Diploma Pharmacy at MS College from Devghar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that based on the suggestion by state information about the extension of coronavirus lockdown will be given before 18 May, we will fight corona and we will move forward, he added. We must not resist our life only around coronavirus, Modi said in his speech on a Thursday and added that the fourth phase of the coronavirus lockdown in India will be completely different from the earlier three phases of the lockdown. From reporting his first novel coronavirus case on January 30, a tally of 562 official on Wednesday afternoon, India appears to be a success story in containing the spread of COVID-19 pandemic in the country, but the devils lie in the detail. On March 10, India recorded its 50 cases of novel coronavirus infection. This means in 50 days of the number of coronavirus patients has increased more than 11 times. This is despite the fact that almost a week of this period most of India was in partial or total lockdown stage on the both sides of Janata curfew. That was observed the call made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Lengthy lockdown will be kill more people than COVID. India could be see more dead due to the hunger than from the pandemic. It is the continue to remain the lockdown to halt the spread of COVID-19. According to Infosys forward NR Narayana Murthy, the country must accept the coronavirus as the new normal and facilitate the return to work of able-bodied while protecting the most vulnerable. Murthy said, what is important for us to understand that India cannot continue in the situation for too long because at the some point of time that due to hunger will for to outweigh that due to coronavirus, he told business leaders at a webinar on a Wednesday. India's mortality rate of 0.25 to 0.5% of total positive cases was very low compared with the developed countries. He said, so far India has been able to flatten the curve or reduce the spread of coronavirus. In most places, due to the lockdown which has been extended till May 3, more than 31,000 people have tested positive for a coronavirus in India, so far of which 1,008 have died since the first reported infection on a January 30. Murthy said India sees over 9 million deaths annually due to virus reasons, of which a quarter are due to pollution, since the country is the one of the most polluted in the world. When you look at a 9 million people dying naturally and when you compare it with the death of 1,000 people in past 2 months, obviously it is not as much as a panic we think it is. Lower mortality rate. While younger people many carry the virus and be asymptomatic, Murthy pointed to the lower mortality rate in India being due to genetic condition of India's, the warm weather of widespread BCG vaccination, while calling for research to identify this phenomena. Data-driven approach. Murthy called for a data-driven approach to the experiment using mathematical modeling and statistical analysis and providing inputs to the government. Gradually keep increasing the number in office. We are taking a data-driven approach, said Sangeeta Gupta, Chief Strategy Officer at a NASCOM. What we would want the government to do is work out a return to office strategy. It is the beneficial for the industry and and the country. Highlighting that there are opportunities for the Indian IT sector due to the pandemic, Murthy said companies globally would look to cut cost and invest in the technology, and domestic companies should work hard to deliver service and grow their business. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.